Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you Paintify's brand new Quick Style feature, a game changer for transforming your photos into stunning artwork in seconds. No prompt writing, no guesswork, just instant artistic magic. Let's dive in. First, let me show you how to access Quick Styles. Navigate to Paintify Pro from the main menu. Once you're on the Paintify Pro page, you'll see a Quick Style button right next to the prompt input box. It's that simple. Click it, and a beautiful gallery of pre-curated artistic styles opens up. The Quick Style gallery showcases iconic art styles from masters like Van Gogh, Claude Monet, and Studio Ghibli, plus modern styles like watercolor and abstract expressionism. Each style has been carefully selected and optimized for the best results. You can browse through the collection and simply click on the style that speaks to you. No decisions about wording, no wondering if your prompt is good enough, just pick and go. So why use Quick Styles? 3 main reasons. 1. Speed. Instead of spending minutes crafting the perfect prompt, you get professional results instantly. 2. Consistency. Every Quick Style uses a professionally crafted prompt that's been optimized by Paintify specifically for that artistic style. You don't see the prompt because we've done all the heavy lifting for you, ensuring you get the best possible transformation every single time. 3. Simplicity. Whether you're new to AI art or a seasoned pro, Quick Styles remove the complexity and let you focus on creativity. Now let me walk you through using Quick Style step by step. First, you'll need an input image. This is important. Quick Styles require a photo to transform. They're not available for text-to-image generation, only for transforming existing images into artistic styles. Upload your photo using the Content Image Uploader. Then, before selecting your Quick Style, you can customize 2 important settings: the aspect ratio, choose from square, portrait, landscape, or other ratios depending on how you want to crop or frame your final artwork. And the output size, this controls the resolution of your final image. By default, it matches your input image size, but you can adjust it for higher or lower resolution depending on your needs. Once you've set your preferences, click the Quick Style button, choose your desired artistic style from the gallery, and hit Transform. That's it. Paintify processes your image with the pre-optimized prompt for that specific style, and within moments, you'll see your photo transformed into beautiful artwork. A couple of important things to remember. First, download your result immediately after generation. While Paintify stores your generated images for 7 days in your Paintify Pro history, it's always best practice to download and save your favorites right away. Second, you'll notice in your Paintify Pro history that Quick Style generations show a special Quick Style badge instead of the prompt. This is intentional. The prompts are part of Paintify's proprietary optimization, crafted specifically to deliver the best results for each artistic style. And finally, if you love the result and want to create variations, you can use the Reuse Prompt and Images button in your history. It'll reload your input image so you can try a different Quick Style or make adjustments. And there you have it, Paintify's Quick Style feature. It's the fastest way to turn your photos into professional-grade artwork. Give it a try, experiment with different styles, and let me know in the comments which Quick Style is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!